actually got monetized here on YouTube immediately after their first upload. You can ask those that started this YouTube journey as early as 2007, 8 upwards. Then the next YouTube partner program eligibility was 10,000 views. You have to get 10,000 views before you get monetized here on YouTube. And it was very easy for them then because there are more content consumers here on YouTube than content creators. People see content creation then as some funny thing that you're just wasting your time. That is why those that started it then are at more advantage than us now. Then after the 10,000 view era, it is now this our era of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And it is hard now to even get monetized. Talk more of the future of YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Mary Jane, and in today's video, I'll be telling you the reason why you need to take YouTube seriously before 2025. In this our era, I think there are more content creators than content consumers. Everybody is trying to create content. Everybody now knows that content creation gives money. Most of the people watching you here are content creators like you, and that is why before you grow in this space, you should be exceptional, unique, and give out value to people. If you're among the people that have businesses you do offline, I will advise you to take this YouTube seriously. If it is to sell your business, you are going to be winning both online and offline. The truth is that content creation is not easy, and everybody cannot be a content creator. You are posting your businesses online, you are also a content creator, but definitely you are in a different niche. At least get your book, get your paper, write down things well before you start, and be coherent when you are creating content. That is, people should understand what you are trying to say or the information you are trying to pass out. You either create content to educate, to create awareness, to give out information, to showcase your business, to advertise your services, and so many other things. The point is to win here online. Please, if you have not started thinking or seeing YouTube as a search engine or a place where people come to learn things, you are making a mistake. People come on YouTube just to do research. People come on YouTube to learn. People come on YouTube to see. People come on YouTube to see what they can buy from a legit person. This YouTube is also a business arena where you can advertise your business and people will get in touch with you, especially those that are in your location. First of all, be comfortable in what you are doing here. Content creation pays, yes, but please do it in a way you'll be comfortable, what you can do. So many persons here are giving us information about YouTube itself, including me. So many persons here are here to teach you how to get monetized on Facebook. There are different niches to fall into, but before you fall into it, make sure you have passion for it. It's not the one you will create content today and not create tomorrow. It's not the one you will create today and get tired. You have to have passion, then be comfortable at it. Just do what you are comfortable at. Do not copy anybody. If not, you are going to be losing here. If you are a thrift vendor, you can be posting your clothes here and get paid online and still get paid offline. You are winning in both ways. This is the number one reason. If you don't strategize, if you don't be unique, if you don't give out value here on YouTube, you are going to be losing. What if 2025 comes and the next partner program eligibility will now be 10,000 watch hours? Can you ask yourself that? Can you? So that is what you should ask yourself before thinking of creating content here. Can you meet any eligibility YouTube brings up to us? Many persons will give up, and that is the truth. We have 2 months before 2024 ends. 2 months is not too small to get monetized. 2 months is not too small for you to start getting paid, because those that are already monetized here on YouTube, they are moving forward with YouTube, while we that is still struggling here on YouTube are trying to meet up. So why I am making this video is for you to sit down, think, stop wasting your time. Stop sitting down and watching other people's lives. Stop sitting down and watching other people's videos. Stop wasting wasting your data and be laughing. If you know content creation is for you, start now. We have 2 months. I am challenging you, I'm challenging myself that before December you will get monetized here on YouTube. If you're in this journey with me, let's move forward. Why a content creator like me will leave a channel that is almost monetized because it is shadow banned to start a new one? Come closer. Come closer. You see that journey you want to start it today. If you don't know how to begin, make research. YouTube is a search engine. Look for videos, that niche you want to venture into. Look for videos that are under that niche. Watch other people, watch what they do. Start the way, in fact, copy them. Anyhow you think that this is how this person does and this is what I want to do and I can do this, just copy that person. Start it. I am challenging you because I'm going to make a video referencing this video. So I will ask you, have you monetized? Have you built audience retention? Because the advantage of starting now is plenty. Audience, you are going to have people that like you. You are going to have people that are with you. Whatever you are doing in this space, they know you. As you are now, nobody knows you. But if you start today, tomorrow somebody will know you. Before 2025, somebody will know you. They will be with you, whatever you are doing here. And you will also get monetized. You know, there are more advantage starting now than disadvantages. And that is why if you are still procrastinating starting this journey, I am telling you today to start now. Look at those people that started this journey with YouTube app itself. Look at where they are now. For those in Nigeria, look at Mark Angel. Look at Mark Angel. When he started, nobody even knows that social media pays talk more of trying to create content with him. And yet there are people that have knowledge. There are people that know what to give to people, but they don't know that there is a space like this that can pay you for giving people what you know, for telling people what to do at the right time. Imagine. So that is why you need to start early, because before 2025 you look back at this journey, you come back to this video and at the same time look back at your journey and be thankful you started on time, because YouTube is not the same every day. Start as early as you can. For me to leave an account and started again, you can do it. Please don't give up. If you know that this type of thing is for you, content creation, just start it today. Okay, I hope that I have been able to convince you to start that your content creation journey today than procrastinating it. You get, I have talked about what you will gain: audience retention, audience building. You will get monetized. You will also be known here. And at the same time, if you know the advantages of leveraging your social media app, you're a business owner, start posting that your business. You know how to cook, start teaching people how to cook. You know how to teach classes, mathematics, start it this day. Anything you can do best, that thing you are doing offline, you can still bring it here and win in both ways, offline and online. Is there anything you are finding it hard to do here on YouTube? Drop it in the comment section. I'm going to put you through. All right, you might be interested in my other videos. If you don't know how to start this journey of content creation, you can check out my video of how to use VidIQ AI to start your journey, like from word to word. It will tell you what to do and how to even open the camera and start talking. Okay, you can also check out my other video of my journey on why I gave up on my other channel and started a new one. All right, see you guys on my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.